Right, I tried tacking this, but I didn't get the foot peg straight, which is important, otherwise it's going to be very uncomfortable. So I've strapped it to this, wired it to this little bracket. It says I've got a horizontal of the foot peg. That kind of corner is exposed, so hopefully I can tack that. Well, I'm going to start welding there with a rod. And once that's done, then I can do the rest, I hope. Right. Well, once again, back to the drawing board. I got a fantastic weld on one side of it to hold it on the top, and I was just going through welding across the bottom, and that post here is really thick, and I put so much heat in it, it dropped, just fell off. The whole thing just got soft and fell off. So I'm gonna have to watch out for that next time. Anyway, start again. Right, so this seems to be my best bet. I've got a gap, which I'm not happy about, but it seems to be my only option. Right, there it is. I'm not sure that I've welded all the way through, but time to clean it up and we'll see how it looks. Straight though. Right. Little bit of work in the vise, little bit of filing, and a little bit of dremeling, and I'm quite pleased with that. Slightly kinked off to the left as you look at it, but only very marginally. I couldn't get my the Dremel wheel I had is slightly wider than the things, but I'm not going to be too fussed for a foot peg. That was a very long time. If you look at the time codes on these, you'll see I was doing it for hours. Anyway, I'm pleased. Hopefully I won't be posting a extra bit where it snaps off. Anyway. Right. There's the finished job. A little bit shiny in the middle where that new piece is, but looking pretty good. And there we go. No good at all. That is a shame. Yeah, I thought it didn't penetrate. How frustrating is that? Looking at that, I can see shiny white at the bottom, shiny silvery. That's where the big piece of weld was at the bottom. And up the top, it's black and dull, and it didn't penetrate at all. That top piece, I only had it welded across the top of those. Didn't penetrate into here at all. So that is a shame. Will I have another go? Probably not. Seeing as a new pair is only £6.95. But that is a shame.